Girls with guns. Who doesn't love girls with guns? This subgenre of anime had a brief growth in popularity in the 2000s, starting with a series called Noir in 2001, a story of two assassin girls rediscovering their pasts. Hot on its heels were two more animes made by the same studio, Madlax from 2004 and El Cazador de la Bruja from 2007. And if you're talking about girls with guns, you can't forget the legendary Black Lagoon, which I can only describe as an anime about badass girls with guns. And to finish off with Canaan from 2009 by PA Works, which now is a very famous studio. The 2010s was a great decade for anime releases, but in terms of girls with guns, there wasn't really anything notable, except for maybe Gale Online. There looked to be no hope for the guns with girls genre, but 2022 graced us with not only one, but two great animes in this genre. First we have Akiba Maid Sensou, which is what I would imagine would happen if you mixed together a maid cafe with a Yakuza game. Then we have Lycoris Recoil, which is a very interesting take on the genre. It's very similar to Noir, the first anime I mentioned, so actually it brings us almost full circle. All this has inspired me to try making my own girls with guns, but using AI to generate it, something that focuses heavily on guns, and therefore the hands holding the guns, both of which the AI is really bad at making. You may think it's a bad idea, and it is, but that's not going to stop us. I'm going to start off by using my favourite model, the Abyss Orange Mix 2. We're going to go for some really basic settings to speed up our research. Let's go for a baseline. Girl with gun. I expected this to happen. The classic double magazine. Got the trigger finger blending into the gun. Random parts of gun sticking out everywhere. My theory is the keyword gun is associated with too many things, so it could mean a pistol, machine gun, rocket launcher, or even naval cannon. And we don't want girls with naval cannons, unless you're trying to recreate Kantai Collection. Wait, that's an idea for my next video. Let's start off with the Colt 1911. Millions of these have been made, so it's really famous. I bet a lot of stable diffusion models have been trained on many images of these. First image with the 1911. What? It's gotten worse. Right, after a lot of experimentation I came up with this. Instead of putting in one gun, I put in many famous guns and various gun related terms. The success rate is much higher now. The guns are a lot less messed up and also the hands are a lot less messed up. Having many prompts that share the same characteristics helps a lot. Hope you found this video interesting. See you next time.